Wynwood Island is a railway island, where the history expands from the past and into the present day, with many stories to tell. These are the stories of animals, friends, and families, and steam diesel and electric locomotives who were conserved under the almighty which was Sealining Railway. A time of innovation, motivation, and change. For friends, family, animals, and their adventures, and steam diesel electrics and their services. These are the stories of the locomotives and their crews who work hard, who bring friendships by helping, lending a hand, and simply cheering them up, while keeping their spirits high from their adventures. These are the adventures of the Sealining Railway. Episode 23. A Holler Steam. October had arrived, and all the engines are working harder than ever before. All the engines are very excited, because on 31st of October was Halloween. All the engines like children's Halloween costume, even telling ghost stories. But most importantly, an express trains. One fine October day, Daniel came to SeaWorld to see the two engines. Hello there, you two. I see you are enjoying the scenery of the sea. Yes, sir, we're enjoying it. Good. I have a special job for you two. Since it's October, it's nearly Halloween, you're going to pull Howl of the Seas. Howl of the Sea, sir? What's that? It's a special train that goes to Wynwood City all the way to SeaWorld when you're at now. Which means you're the only ones available, so you need to be repainted yourselves into the black color scheme with some SeaWorlds and everything.
Repainted, sir? You mean us?
Exactly, Rope. Since you're the only two available, you have to do that. And he left. Wow, we had never been in an excursion train before, nor been painted black.
Yup, Eric looks I have to pull the train. Want to join me at back?
I'll be glad to, Rope. At Wynwood City Sheds, Pitty was preparing to go with his friends all the way to the Spirit Railway as the light engines. As he was preparing to leave, he saw Professor. He was feeling very ill. Wow, Professor, you look awful.
I think it's boiler egg, Petey.
Oh, I see. So you're feeling sick, right?
Not only that, my crank axle is broken right here.
I'm on my way to the Spirit Land to my friends. Maybe I should take your train while you're feeling better.
Really? Oh, thank goodness you're gonna take the train.
Anytime, my friend. Now, if you excuse me, I had to go collect the coaches, and then I will be on my way.
Thanks. Good luck, and take care.
At the Sealining Works, the two aquatic engines emerged with something impressive new look, with SeaWorld logo on it and also being painted black and with Halloween decorations. I say, it looks wonderful.
Well, what do you know it? Looks marvelous.
All right, you two, you've all been set and you're all good to go. And be careful out there and have a good running.
Okay, wish us the best of luck.
Thanks for reminding us, and will do. At Wynwood City Station, the two engines were eager to do with the excursion train of Halloween. As they were waiting for the passengers to come aboard, he saw Pitty with a spirit train on it. So Petey decided to have a little chat. Hello there, you two. I see you are pulling the Heart of the Seas train, right?
Yeah, totally. What to do, you ask?
Well, I'm here to pull the spirit train, so I'm replacing Professor when he was ill. So I had to take this train all the way to Spirit Land.
Really? Well, I'm going to pull the How of the Seas train to SeaWorld, and Eric is helping me at the back.
It means it's a Halloween special train, right?
Yes, it is.
Oh, yes. But if I could take on my border if I were you, if you want to challenge me on the race, like dashing through the main line ourselves, you know, if you want to challenge me, it's okay. The more I see you two, because you're seen dashing on the main line. And with that, Pitty puffed away with the spirit train.
A challenge. Hey, that should be interesting.
What challenge, Rope? What do you mean?
Racing against each other, Eric.
Oh, I see what you mean, Rope. The guard blew his whistle, and they were off. PT arrives at the junction. Danielle, Alfred, and Diego were there, waiting for them. Hello there, you three. Sorry I was picking up passengers because I had to take it to the Spirit Railway, but I didn't do anything, right?
No, you're here. We were waiting for you.
Yes, especially you're picking up passengers. Yes, that's where I am. By the way, since we're doing light engines, perhaps you can help me to pull the passengers to the Spirit Railway. Wanna help me with it? Yeah, we'll do it.
We should always be working together.
So the decisions was being made. Danielle and Alfred will be triple heading with Pitty, while Diego will be as a banker. Okay, we're all set. Is everyone ready?
Ready?
Ready.
Ready? Let's go.
Alright, let's go! As they were departing, Rope is passing by with the train.
Racing at the junction, everyone.
Wow, look at Rope go. Yes, and quite fast too. Maybe we should do a big challenge for him.
Yeah, let's go have a race then.
Okay. Right. Full power! We must go and go faster!
Okay, let's roll.
As they traveled on the main line, they finally caught something to them. Yes, I see them. There was Rope and Eric up ahead. Let's give him some more juice. Let's go faster! Hey there, Rope. I see you're traveling on the main line yourself.
Hey, how can you catch up? Really? I don't. about that.
Oh my goodness me, I didn't know that you're going very fast yourself.
Yep, that's what we are.
If you can talk, you please.
I'm not thoughtful. No, BT and Danielle are there. A distant signal turning red. That bird needs to stop. Whoa, my boy! Looks like we need to stop. Looks like the signal is red. Yeah, because there's a red signal up ahead, my guy. We almost win this, but it doesn't matter being loose ourselves.
Yeah, but we still got them.
So, Petey, Danielle, Alfred, and Diego arrives at Spiritland. Cunard White Star and Dwight the Eisenhower were there. Hello there, you four. I see you had trouble to our railway. Yeah, we sure did, Cunard. I already take the spirit train because Professor was ill, so my friends and I had to do it. And so we did. We traveled. That's exactly, my good friend. You did a very good job for all of you.
I totally agree with you.
Well, at least you helped Professor with the express train while he was ill.
Yep, we sure do.
I see, but what did you do while traveling? Well, while we're on our way to your railway, we just have a little race with our friend. Oh wow, I didn't know that you have a little race with your friend. Yep, we sure did, Cunard.
Hey, I wonder where the two engines are doing.
Yeah, I didn't mind losing the race though.
Or maybe they're having fun or something. Well, who knows, my friends? Who knows? So, the two engines arrived at SeaWorld, right on time.
Whew, that was fun, isn't it, partner?
Sure is, my friend. Looks like we could travel our train all the way to SeaWorld. Looks like the passengers are enjoying ourselves while we're doing ourselves of a little race.
Yeah, we sure did. I think about the others, how the spirit land thinking about a race that we had made.
Yeah, but we didn't mind losing the race. But we always work hard by ourselves.
Is it sure, Eric?
And so, the grand journeys has been completed. But the engines knew that they had a little race, but they knew they must have to get themselves to get the job done as always.